Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T32 panel van Highline long wheelbase in pure grey. It's built for both practicality and comfort, powered by a 2-litre diesel engine with a smooth 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. Designed for ease of use and a modern appeal, it features 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels, heated, power adjustable and power folding wing mirrors, as well as automatic headlight control and rain sensing windshield wipers. LED headlamps ensure optimal visibility, while the rear view camera and front and rear parking sensors make manoeuvring effortless. The van is highly practical, featuring a tailgate and twin sliding doors with power latching for convenient access. Reinforced lashing rings provide secure cargo handling, making loading and unloading smooth and efficient. Entering through the driver's side, you will find controls for features such as the windows, mirrors and lights are all located conveniently. Inside, comfort is a priority with heated seats and a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Adaptive cruise control further enhances driving comfort, especially on longer journeys. Connectivity and entertainment are seamlessly integrated with a composition colour radio featuring a 6.5-inch touchscreen, where you can access DAB+ digital radio reception, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, Volkswagen App Connect for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and the Discover Media navigation system, ensuring easy access to entertainment, navigation and smartphone connectivity. From the screen you can also view vehicle information and make the most of your parking sensors and camera whilst manoeuvring. Moving down from here you will find the climate controls as well as USB-C ports for more connection options. There are also storage compartments around the cab to keep belongings organised throughout your journeys. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T32 panel van Highline that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.